Hello, I'm Thomas Lipsey, and this is my Desmos project. So first I'm going to talk about a challenge I had, and that was specifically the face. And I'm going to look at the lips right here and show you how I used functions to solve the problem I had with the lips. So I'm just going to swing it over here to the right and pull up my function. So I used, as you might be able to see, a piecewise function. So even though this whole project was a piecewise, now I had a piecewise inside the piecewise. And for this piecewise function, I used different domain restrictions to create a continuous line. So here I included -0.9, I excluded -0.9 and -0.75, and then here I included -0.75. So this created the continuous line that I wanted, and then to solve the problem, I just simply used a negative quadratic with a vertical stretch, and then of course the transformations, and then I used a positive quadratic with no stretch or compression, and then the transformations, and then I used a negative quadratic with a smaller vertical stretch to complete the shape of the lip that I wanted. And another problem that I had looking at his face was his jawline. And I didn't really know what to use because there was no simple quadratic that I could use that would get what I wanted there. So I decided I would use a square root function or radical function. So in this case, like I said, it was square root, and I used a negative a value and a negative x value, negative value in front of the x, to reflect it both across the x and y axes, and that created the shape that I wanted here. And then I just had to use a manipulation of this to create a vertical compression here, and then I just transformed it so that it would be in the right place, and there I had it, my jawline. And that worked out really well for me because it fit his jaw very well after I changed it, and then all I had to use was another quadratic on the side to complete his other side of the face. So that was my project, and thank you very much.